Today, super excited. My name is Mayo Wolabi, and you're welcome to this channel. And today, I want to start an offering that will help thousands of people around the world. And this is something I really have passion for because I've seen a lot of people struggle around this space, especially when it comes to passive income. So what is passive income? The word passive income for me is very important that everyone has passive income. And I want to lay a very amazing foundation that will help you to be able to know how to fit in, how to plug in, and leverage on the word passive income. Passive income is an income that you're making that you don't need active involvement, but you're making money. So I work in a place and I earn X amount of money, $100, $200 every single month. How can I, because my time can be divided, how can I leverage on other systems, structures that can enable me to be able to earn passive income? And when it comes to wealth building, one of the things that will make you know that you're wealthy is when your passive income has increased more than your monthly earnings. So which makes a lot of sense. So, Mr. Maya, now that we understand the passive income is an income that I can earn without me getting involved, a lot of time people miss it out because they do not know how to play in this space. So I'm going to be starting on you understanding the risk involved. Now, we have 4 types of risk that I would like to teach you. The first type of risk is called the low risk. We have the medium risk. We have the high risk. And we have, this one I had to coin it because of my experience in this space. We call it complex risk. Now I'm going to be explaining all of this to us, and I'm going to be attaching it with several passive income. Now, one of the best low risk for us in this space is you saving in your bank. Very low risk, as in your money is guaranteed that nothing will be wrong with it. However, you are putting your money in the bank and you're making some little income. Now, one of the things a lot of people do is that they stay around this low risk. And as an entrepreneur, as somebody who wants to really become wealthy, you see, wealth is always leveraging on risk. So there is no way you want to become wealthy without taking a form of risk. So money making needs a level of risk, but you must understand the classification so that you will know where you fit in. Now, saving, putting money is an extreme low risk in the bank. Now, another level here is medium risk. Now, medium risk is now that you are now taking a level of involvement in you making the earnings. So I like to put in medium risk, I like to put real estate in medium risk. And somebody will say, why are you putting real estate in medium risk? I'm putting real estate in medium risk because when you are making purchase, you buy a property, you can fall into wrong end. If you are not doing your right due diligence, you can fall into wrong end, you can buy the wrong property, and this is very, very common if you don't do your findings. Okay, so what I tell people to do is that if you want to play in the real estate phase, system, you want to get people who are already succeeding with that model. Okay, good. So when it comes to high risk, now this time around, money is leaving you and you are not sure if the money is coming back. And I tell you that whenever money is leaving you into a system that you cannot classify, you are not sure of the return, you've done all your check-ins, but you are not sure, then I tell people that you need to leverage on the right knowledge. Okay, so leveraging on right knowledge when it comes to high risk, I will put forex here. Okay, I will put cryptocurrency here. Okay, so all of this is risky, guys. You go on YouTube, somebody just showed you that he made $50, he grew $50 to $1,000, or he grew $100 to $10,000. He did not share with you how he lost money. He did not share with you how he overcame and is now consistent making profit. But all he's showing you is his profit, how he's driving the cars, how he's traveling everywhere. Guys, you need to understand that it's a form of risk. So right now, the cryptocurrency is around the downtime right now. People are like complaining they've lost money, their portfolio have dropped by 50%, 70%. That is high risk. Now, if you don't have the right information, you would probably want to sell off your assets. Now, when you sell off your asset, you've lost huge. Okay, so this kind of high risk, I call it calculated risk. Okay, so it is based on your informed knowledge. That is what you're running on. Now, the last but not the least is complex risk. Now, complex risk is now money leaving you, and you don't have the knowledge, but you just strongly believe it is a system and it can pay you. So I'm going to mention a lot of I'm trying not to mention a lot of brands, but I would give you an example. Okay, somebody walked up to you and he says that there is a system that gives you 50% every month, 30% every month. Now, immediately, because of the percentage in return, you already know it is not it is not low risk. So in low risk, you can be getting like 1 to 10% per annum. Very safe, like 1 to, medium risk, you are involved, so you could get like 25%. Medium risk, 25% to like 40% per annum. Medium risk. Okay. High risk, you could get as much as 100% to 1000% per annum, based on knowledge right now. Okay. Then complex risk, you can get 10,000%. But guys, money is leaving you. You have to be very careful, because this is complex risk. So somebody tells you that, So what you want to do is that this is your portfolio. Let's say this is your portfolio and you have $1,000. So here is the concept. You should not expose more than 10% of your earnings to this complex risk. As a matter of fact, 5%. Between 5 and 10% maximum. Because if this goes wrong, if anything goes wrong with this, you would not kill yourself. You would not be destroyed. You can bounce back. Okay? Then you pull up some level of involvement in your savings, because every single day you need money. You want to pay children's school fees. You don't want to put it, your family want to eat every single month. Such, you want to put on low risk. You want to pay rent. Such is low risk. Okay? Medium risk. So you can say for here, you can put like 40% here. 40%. Then medium risk, you can leverage on that, scale it up and say, oh, I want to put 25% here. Okay? Low risk. High risk. Oh, I want to just put what? I want to put like 15% here. Okay? Then the rest 10%. If I'm 40. Okay, so let's say 45 here, because you want to be safe. 45, 70, 15, 10. So this is just a framework I'm sharing with you. So when you're putting money here, the system can crash anytime. And you see, because you are afraid, maybe the company does not have a CEO, maybe the company does not have a social media platform, maybe the company is not registered, a lot of time people stay away from this place. But I want to let you know that there is a lot you can do here, but there is a way to get it done. So when you understand how it works, then you can leverage. So for example, I have an investment portfolio of $1,000, and I'm willing to risk $100 to a high risk. So what it means is that I want to put in my money, And the first 2 months, I want to be able to come out with my capital. Always take out your capital. I've joined several online systems. I know that they would not last because of their extreme return on investment. So I want to take my capital out. I want to be sure that my capital is out. Then I now leverage on the system money. But if you blind your eyes to this, you will not even know the one that will last over time. There are systems that have gone more than 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. And when it started, a lot of people said it will not work, it will not work. But a lot of people have made amazing return on investment on this, and they are very, very good on this. I'm sure this will help you to be able to classify your portfolio and understand that passive income is very, very important for you to have and leverage and know how you can multiply on leverage on this, and you're good to go. So in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you the types of passive income that you will need or you can start accessing, and you're good to go. I'll talk to you in the next episode. My name remains Mawowolabi. Don't forget, if this is your first time, you want to click on the subscriber button so that whenever we upload videos, you can tune in. And on this channel, we have a lot to share with you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Peace out, guys. Bye.